So I'm Sebastian. I ride for the bike line in Cyprus. And this is 2013 bike check. I got the Fit Shiv, the first ones. Pretty cheap. I mean, I like them. Matte black, stock wheel set, Mission. Recommend it. Pretty nice. Holds up a lot of shit. Got Fit FAF's 2.25s. Then up here with the frame, the body, I got the Fit VF 1 frame. Then I got in the new Demolition headset, red, pretty nice. Redneck XLT stem.
Hang on, wait, let this thing focus. Alright, there you go, you're good.
Pretty dope red. I got it at Dan's Top. The Demolition Sobrone bars or whatever. 8.6, pretty nice. Pretty decent. I recommend them real good.
Wait, fool.
Grips had them for a while. Wouldn't recommend these too much. Too slippery. There's a Van with Colt. And these are, I just got these today at a bike shop, local. It is Odyssey. What else? Going to the gears. Colony 28 tooth. Pretty nice. Don't know what year it is. Got it from a bike shop. These are normal, unknown brand. They're 48 spline, so they're pretty good. Right hand drive only. Thermalite Stolen SP pedals with the metal pins, pretty dope. KMC chain, Z100 something. Used to rock the Shadow Conspiracy, didn't like it. Like, took all my teeth out.
What kind of bottom bracket?
Oh, Demolition bottom bracket. You can't really see it. It's inside.
The seat in place, bro.
Animal wedge, black, matte black. And I got this from the warehouse from Demo. It's the Doyle Anthem V2 stem. I mean V2 seat. Same setup in the back as well. And then Fit OG pegs. Pretty sick setup. So tell them about this.
Wait, what about your hub guard? Your hub guard. What kind of hub guards you got?
I don't even know what this hub guard is. I think it's a Primo DGS drive side.
In the front's a Gsport, right? Obviously.
Yeah, Gsport blend.
Okay, well.
And 2013 bike check. Have a good day.